Today I'm going to show you the shed section of my man cave. The shed part is mainly for storage. It's handy having the board as a wall because you can fix things really easily to it. I've hung my bikes up and my tools for easy access. I bought these holders for my garden tools. It's really good actually because it just keeps everything right out the way and off the floor. I got this bin from a local tip. They were throwing it out. I managed to retrieve it. I've also put up a couple of hooks to store my lawnmower out of the way. I'm still loving these quirky windows. They're basically two different sizes. I've got these really nice storage boxes for storing things in. The shelves are made from old roof joists that were left over, and then I put some scaffold brackets just on the end that just make them look a little bit more authentic. And then I used these really nice shelf brackets as well that I just got off eBay. I got these other baskets as well for storing all this stuff in. It looks like something has been gnawing at the wood here. It could be wasps. I've sprayed it with some anti-wasp repellent. The main area is set up as a hobby room. My wife has got all her wool stored here. I am only allowed a small amp. The building itself has stayed really solid and straight. The only bits I need to redo is the flexible filler. There is also a small crack in the stud wall. It just needs a little bit of flexible filler in it. Again, it probably just needs a little bit of flexible filler in the crack here. Here we have painted pallet wood and fixed it to the wall. We bought a 4-column traditional radiator to heat the room. It is water filled and it plugs into an electrical spur and has a thermostat on it. I also made the table. It is made out of the excess roof joists we had left over. Here's Michael Fish. The floor gets a bit dirty because they are not proper floorboards and are boards that have been cut in half. Overall, this is a great little space where occasionally I am allowed to do my hobby of playing music.
You know that it would be untrue. You know that I would be a liar if I was to say it to you. Girl, we couldn't get much higher. Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, baby, light my fire. Trying to set the night on fire.